Hi friends, Happy New Year! This is a compilation video of all my favorite projects for 2020. Hope you enjoy it. So to put this together, you dig a little hole. Dig a deeper one if you want. And then the tent frame goes over the top of the hole. And the figure. And then the camo netting goes on top. Then you could also cover it with like little leaves and stuff to give it more of a camouflage look. I shared my collection of ghillie suits with you. I think they're pretty cool. I even showed you the one that I made for myself. Probably one of my favorite projects this year was the pocket packs. And also the clay artifacts. My favorite was this mask. I really liked it. Also my collection of storage cabinets, although I only have 2. I'm hoping I could get some more. They'd really blend in well with a cabin, rustic cabin. Who knows what treasure map or artifact could be hidden in one of these. This was another favorite project. I had it on the back burner for quite some time, but I finally got around to finishing it, and it turned out great. This was my first commission. I made $60 off of this. There's a set of samurai swords. I made the samurai daisho out of popsicle sticks. Although I was a little disappointed that I didn't get the sniper rifles, these guns were still pretty cool, and I got them off of Wish. My picnic table also turned out really good. I was really pleased with the way it turned out. I still need to stain the top of it. How to make stocking caps for your action figures. And also, I got my first shirt this year. I really liked it. Ron Weasley joined my adventure team. Turned out to be a pretty cool little action figure in addition to my adventure team. This was a cool find I came across several years ago. Also bedrolls. I really like this project. I plan to make more of these for myself. You've seen me use this in my Christmas story. Also, this file cabinet was really cool. It's a neat find. I really like the way these communication headsets turned out. They're really cool. I plan to make more. Did you know that hands from the Fortnite Legendary Collections fit Barbie? And of course the Barbie hands fit the Fortnite characters? Something to check out. I also got a new head for Samantha. This one is a Super Duck action figures. She is really pretty. This was a second commission I did. It's an all-metal ninja sword with a hidden blade. Got $25 from it. Nunchucks was a great project. I love this one. I got a new head for Khan to round out my adventure team. They look great. Can't wait to use them in some adventures. Also, these turned out really cool. The little brands, or the Shopkin brands. Kind of wish he was 12 inches, but he's still pretty cool. I could use him in grainy photos as a prop. My Greek Kopis turned out really cool, and that was my 200th video. I swapped her into a new body. She's now on a super soldier female body. I can't wait to add her into some adventures. Hope you're looking forward to those. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. Follow me on social media. If you want to help this channel out, support me on Patreon. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.